Hello, students. I'm going to show you a little bit about our textbook. So this is the electronic textbook site. Here on the right, you can click right into the textbook. And you can read the textbook. There are video links that go with it, images. Let's see, pay close attention to these learning outcomes because they connect to our tests, are short answer questions. Okay, notice here the page numbers. Notice that you can search the e-text, look for particular phrases. You can highlight the textbook. You can keep notes. You can bookmark it. You can print parts of it. I don't know what would happen if you change the settings. There's the book content. You can go to a specific page. Let's go back here. Okay, so notice here you have your LearnSmart assignments and your quizzes. So let's take a look at the LearnSmart assignment. Sorry, maybe I need to be in instructor view. Sorry about that. Okay, so LearnSmart is a really neat tool. I actually really enjoy using it. And essentially, it's an adaptive reading assignment. As you go through the textbook, it'll ask you some practice questions. If you get them right, you'll move on and your textbook will get highlighted along the way. If you get them wrong, you'll get yellow highlights. Sometimes you'll get tutorials and various things. Okay. Let's go through here. Okay, so you're reading the chapter. Here's the page numbers down here. You go through, la la la. Can you see this button here? It says practice. So when you click practice over here, oh, it says read when you're reading, practice when you're practicing. Okay, and it asks you questions. Currently, the human population exceeds 7 some number of people. If you know it, click green. If you think you're unsure or no idea or you want to read more, okay? I'm going to say, I know it. Billion. Submit. Your answer is correct. Now it's never going to ask me about this again because it thinks I have it under control. Here's another question. Humans have dumped pollutants into our water and atmosphere that have poisoned pests as well as useful organisms, thereby disrupting the delicate balance of know it, think so, unsure, no idea. Let's click no idea. Okay, nature, it's going to tell me the answer. And now it's going to force me to learn about that more as we go on. Let's go back to reading. Okay, now notice how the textbook has been highlighted based on my responses to the practice. Okay, if you need the textbook to be bigger, you can click these letters over here and then go on and so forth. Each chapter is set to take, the whole module is set to cover the same number of hours. There's about an hour or 3 hours per module. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you. I wanted to encourage you to use that LearnSmart assignment. Then when you come in here and you take the quiz, you'll see that the quiz is very similar to the LearnSmart questions that you got asked. Okay, So it's really a great direct route to studying. You probably aren't going to see exactly the same questions here, but you are going to get the feel for what kind of questions you're going to be asked, okay? That's all that we have in this site. Visit the e-text alone, go through the LearnSmart assignment to read, take the quizzes. Okay, let me know if you have questions or you have any challenge in entering the textbook.